Hi everyone, welcome back to Think of Mind. In this video, I'll show you how to import Canva slides into Google Slides without losing formatting. If you've created a presentation in Canva and want to edit or present it in Google Slides, this step-by-step guide will help you transfer your slides quickly while keeping your design looking great. So, let's get started.
Step 1. Open your presentation in Canva and look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Share button, which is where Canva provides options to export or share your design. This step is important because it gives you access to the download options needed to move the file. Step 2. After clicking Share, a menu will appear with several options. Click on Download, then select Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx as the file type from the list. Choosing this format allows your Canva presentation to be compatible with Google Slides. Step 3. Now click the Download button and wait for Canva to prepare your presentation file. Once the file is ready, it will be saved to your computer automatically. This file will contain all your slides and design elements from Canva. Step 4. Open Google Slides in your web browser and go to the File menu at the top. Click on Import Slides, or you can upload the downloaded PowerPoint file directly to Google Drive and open it with Google Slides. This step helps bring your Canva presentation into the Google Slides environment. Step 5. Once the PowerPoint file is uploaded, select the slides you want to bring into your presentation. Then click Import Slides to add them into Google Slides. After this step, your Canva design will successfully appear in Google Slides, and you can edit it just like a normal slide. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe